How to download and install Capital One mobile app on iPhone. Need to manage your Capital One accounts on the go? The Capital One mobile app makes it easy to keep track of your finances, pay bills, and check your account balance anytime, anywhere. In this easy guide, I'll show you how to download and install the Capital One mobile app on your iPhone step by step. Let's dive in. First, launch your App Store. Now, at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, you can type in the app name Capital One and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, click on it. You'll get the option of install or get, or also you might find this arrow kind of icon. Click on it. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If prompted, confirm the download with your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading. This should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, the app will automatically install on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch the Capital One app. You can also find it on your home screen with the rest of your apps. Log in with your existing Capital One username and the password, or create a new account if you are a first-time user. You are now ready to start managing your finances on the go. And that's how you download and install the Capital One mobile app on your iPhone. With just a few taps, you can easily access your account and manage your money wherever you are. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tips. Thanks for watching.